Ready for takeoff?
Let's do it.
Probably here.
Takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
See how steady it is? So it'll go up about 20 feet and then it'll just hang. Wait for me to tell it what to do. And I just let it sit there a minute just to, yeah, just to make sure it knows where it's at.
And does that have nav lights on it?
It's got blinking lights on it, yeah.
Oh, sorry, I see the green one blinking.
I wonder how high the trees are. Oh, might help if I turn the video on. There we go. That's better. So now we're at 100 feet. You think that's higher than the trees, or it should go a little higher?
What?
We're at 100 feet.
Is it really?
Now I'm at 150.
That's 150?
157 feet. And I'm gonna go. Gonna point the camera down a little, so you can see. Here's like straight looking down like that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna fly it forward. There it goes. Bye.
Shit.
And what's the range on this thing?
4 miles.
4 miles? Hell, that's across the river. Are you kidding me?
You see it?
Yeah.
So you're looking straight down?
So
So how many yards out are you? How far out are you?
I am about 900 feet.
All right, now are you staying there?
Now I'm just hovering.
Yeah.
I'm looking straight down. Damn bugs.
I gotta grab my glasses. Hold on.
Looking up.
So it's hovering now?
Yeah, I'm just hovering. I'm gonna go a little further. I lost it. Where is it? Can't see it. I'm over the water, I'll tell you that much. Alright, so I'm gonna spin it around, face us. I'll try to.
That's amazing.
So you can see here.
Oh, okay, that's a map. Yeah.
So I should be looking back at the house. I think that would be your house right there. Right there, I think.
Okay.
Oh, that damn thing's sophisticated, man.
So yeah.
Yeah.
Now I see what all the concern about drones is about.
Oh yeah. Well, you know what I love? You see those games, the drone in buildings?
Mm-hmm.
What is it? They have a whole league.
Racing.
Oh my God, that's incredible.
Now I'm flying back towards us. At least I think so.
4 miles.
Yeah, supposedly.
There it is. I see it.
That's across the river, isn't it, Bob?
No.
It's further than 4 miles.
Are you looking straight down? Oh, 4 miles is. Yeah.
I am looking at what I believe to be the house. I don't see us. Do you see it?
I just want to see what is out there. Because, like I said, I was back here the other night. I was putting some refill down. And I heard some guys talking about it. I mean,
So you can see there's all these little trails and crap.
Yeah, almost like they were, I could hear them. And then they started up the motor, the engine, and they just flew out. It was a big motor, so it had to be a good sized boat.
Huh.
So I'm
There
gonna.
must be a little creek.
Yeah. There's a hole in there.
Yeah.
There's fishing in there. Yeah, we can walk back there.
I don't know.
I know.
I don't need to walk back there.
So now I'm at 70.
Yeah, you need to.
I'm at 70 feet now, so I'm a little
Okay.
closer.
Can you see us?
It's so hard to tell in this thing.
I know. See, that's why I would no way.
But is that your house? Does it look like your house?
That looks like it.
Oh, maybe I'll come a little closer.
Are those prescription glasses or
Yeah.
reading glasses?
Yeah.
I got reading sunglasses.
So I'm lower
Yeah,
now.
that's it.
Just gotta make. Oh, there
I
you
can
are.
see the shed.
Now I see it. Now I see it. It should see us. Let's go down. Where are we?
What's the ceiling on this thing?
Well, you legally shouldn't fly more than 400 feet, so it'll stop you and go, wait, nope. But it
You
will.
already told it you're taking responsibility.
Yeah, but the FAA says don't fly more than.
I wish we'll be able to. I would love to be able to catch one of the birds on the trees here, because they'll come and perch here. There was one just a few minutes before you guys came. Yeah, I just want to see what is. Oh, you're coming down.
Down some.
That is.
Down.
That's amazing how steady.
I know.
And with wind, I mean, there's not much wind, but with wind, it would stay.
The propellers will counteract themselves to hold it.
Swing you over here.
That's cool.
So I should probably take a picture, huh? I'm gonna stop the video, take a picture.
I'm gonna have to upgrade my drone. I can see that right now.
Mm. That is cool. Very nice.
All right, I saw Keith going there. Yeah, I guess get you in the center here.
That is awesome.
And
Jeez.
turn the video back on. Be careful, but I will fly it forward. Slowly. So it's got a different mode. I'm in like the normal mode
Yeah.
where it has sensors on the front. So if you,
If
it will stop.
Well, right now you're below
Although,
the tree
you
level,
know,
aren't you?
yeah, so I got to be careful, but it supposedly will stop, although, you know.
Yeah. That is neat. That is cool. All right, well, check. You're
I'm going to turn it around and
yeah, that's
do another pass
cool,
out
nice.
there. See, I'm at 68% battery.
I can see the green light. Yeah, maybe later if we can get a video of the front of the house, I'll be good. That is awesome. That is neat. And you did that behind the boat while Debbie was driving?
It also has modes where,
It'll follow you or something?
yeah, you say you draw a box around whatever you want it to track, and it'll track.
So are you right at the edge of the water there?
It looks like it.
How far out is that? Can you tell?
I am 863 feet. I'm not quite to the edge, though.
Yeah, I was figuring that was like 400 yards.
Now I'm at the edge. The edge is about 975.
Okay, so really 300
I'm going to point the camera down. Yeah, this is pretty marshy right there, 975 yards.
That's friggin' awesome. I can't wait to see that.
And now, see, I'm going to go 90 degrees to the left. Go forward some.
Alright, now you're going parallel.
I'm glad you could see I lost it.
Yeah, no, I can see it.
The video now is lagging for some reason.
All right, you're pretty far down. Slow it down. You're going pretty fast. There you go.
Alright, so I stopped.
That is awesome.
See now, let's see. See, this helps me because the green line is where I was
Yeah. Yeah.
the way back. And there is like a return to home. So now I'm sort of approaching from way down there, I guess. See it? Alright, I don't.
You're right at that, you're right in front of that third tower to the right.
The video's sort of frozen on me.
Well, no, you're on Wi-Fi, you're on.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Oh, you're coming in.
Oh, why do I got it set to cloudy. Ooh, let me change that. Settings. White balance sunny. There's so many dang settings. Yeah.
I see. That's
There.
too. That's way over my head. I can't.
Alright, so going up.
Amazing how steady that is. That sun is pretty hot.
I'm gonna go fly sideways.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm trying to do.
Going north and you're coming back.
Just trying to get a better shot of the house. Mobile device fully loaded. Huh.
That's incredible. How much technology is there?
Another picture. Alright, back to video. And I'm gonna raise it up plenty high so I don't have to worry about trees.
Yep. And then you'll do a return to home?
I'm just gonna fly it back.
Damn, that thing is up there. Look at that.
I guess we could say we're above the trees, huh?
Yeah.
I
How
lied.
many feet is that?
This is 270 feet. They can't see it.
I can see it. I get it.
Alright, gonna fly it back towards us.
Holy shit, see that? Oh, you're almost right over our head.
So I'll take
Oh, no, you-
take a picture from the
Yeah.
front here. And I don't know, it might be tough to get a picture from the front. I guess I'm high enough up though. A lot of trees.
That's amazing. Yeah, you're pretty far up top. Yeah, you're,
Yeah, there's a bunch of trees, so I can't really see the house.
that's okay though. It should be able to see us.
You see it?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Yep.
Alright, so I'm gonna try to get it back, yeah.
All right. That's pretty long. You've been up. So now what do you do to get it back?
I'm gonna just... Oops. I'm going up instead of down. So.
Yeah, it's pretty high up.
I mean, I bet to be going forward. Here we go.
You're going forward with it.
And I am gonna point the camera down and see what I'm doing.
You're going out.
So obviously I need to Go forward. I should probably trust the return to home, but I usually don't.
Well, they're almost straight up from where you are. Look at it, it's a birdie. That comes forward a little bit more. Have you ever done return to home?
Yeah,
Well, you almost,
so I've lost signal. You know, when it loses signal, it'll
Yeah.
automatically do it.
yeah, see, I couldn't.
What am I doing, Kelly? So I'm getting disoriented because
Yeah.
it's facing me.
Yes. Yeah, you gotta come forward.
And let's see here. Go like that. That's why when I'm on the dock, where did I take off from? I should be back here is where I should be. So I'm gonna spin it around so I don't get myself screwed up. Now left is left and right is right. So spin it around and say hi. There you go.
That's amazing.
Take a picture here. I got one. Alright.
That's me.
How you doing? Oh, looks good.
That was good.
So you just match it down and then
Landing.
it'll do its. That's what I like. The takeoff and landing part. You just say, okay, take it down. I'm good. And boom. 29% battery life.
Wow.